Adam Sisk, right field, James Madison University.
My name is Victor Nazario. I play outfield, and I'm a senior in Lindsey Wilson College.
My name is Paredes, and I'm an outfielder for Lindsey Wilson College.
Marcus Johnson, bench coach, first base coach.
My name is Danielle Ulekowski. I'm the athletic trainer, and I graduated from George Mason University.
My first baseball memory is turning a double play in my first year in Little League. It was unassisted.
Playing catch and some baseball with my mom in the backyard.
Throwing with my dad in the backyard.
First baseball memory was hitting a home run as a 9-year-old in majors.
Watching the Red Sox with my family.
My favorite baseball memory would have to be my first home run.
When I hit a home run in 2013 to give the chance to my team, like a summer team, to be in the semifinals of Puerto Rico.
Make it to a World Series with my college team for the first time.
Favorite baseball memory was my free agent workout for the Atlanta Braves, hitting 12 out.
Working for the TBolts last year.
Favorite baseball movie is The Rookie.
The bench warmers.
Pelotero.
Favorite baseball movie is Richard Pryor. What's Richard Pryor movie? Brewster's Millions.
A League of Their Own.
Favorite baseball book is Moneyball.
Moneyball.
High Heat.
Ted Williams, The Art of Baseball.
Moneyball.
My favorite team is the Nationals.
Boston Red Sox.
Boston Red Sox.
Nationals.
Bryce Harper.
Angel Pagan.
Manny Ramirez.
Vladimir Guerrero.
I don't have one.
Favorite TBolt have to be Victor Nazario.
Nick Dunn.
I like all of them. They're all great to me, and I'm great to them.
Doug Reamer.
Coach Johnson.